Hi everyone, Rene Bastarache here with the American School of Hypnosis. And in today's video, I'd like to invite you to come see our new online store section just for self-help programs. And in addition to having an introductory offer on all 12 courses this weekend, we're also going to give you a free course. When you get to the page, the very first one you see on the page is the self-image crash course. And we'd like to give that to you right now, absolutely free. Now, this is something that's going to help you to examine your self-image and help change things right on the spot. It just has a 15-question questionnaire. Answer the questions, it'll evaluate the questions after you've answered them, and it has 6 very powerful techniques that you can use to change your self-image and start feeling much better about yourself. So go ahead and take a look at our new self-help store, and the link is right below this page in the description. Go ahead and click on the link, come over there and see our great introductory offer we're having right now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.